Good morning students. Today we discussed about basic data types in base of standard 11 subject computer. Data type available in base. Data type available in base can be divided into three categories, namely alphanumeric type, calendar type and binary type. There are three types of database available in base, that is alphanumeric, calendar and binary. Alphanumeric type. When we want to enter a data that consists of letter, number as well special character, then we select one of the data types shown in table. When you want to enter any data like number, characters or special character, you want to select any one data type for each field in the table. We can select text as data type for address field, the number of bytes to be allocated to varchar. Data type depends on the number of characters entered by the user. Character data type has different nature. It is used when we are aware of exact number of characters to be entered in the file. The character type though has a limitation number of characters that can be used. If you want to enter a limited data in the field, you select character data type. When we want to store some descriptive data which may have more than 255 characters, then the memo data type will be useful. This data type allows us to store any text data up to 64,000 characters. Text ignore case is efficient when the fields are used for searching, and it is ensured that whether user will enter searching text in lowercase or uppercase. If you want to store some descriptive data, then character data type is not used because its limitation is 255 characters. That time you use memo data types, and memo data type stores a 64,000 character in the field. That computers have different ways of storing alphanumeric characters. The ASCII code for needs only 1 byte to store a characters. The number of possible characters that type can use to only 256 Unicode that use more bytes per characters. Numeric type. Alphanumeric type, the number of bytes actually is fixed by the software. This is not the case when you store the value for a number. Different ways of storing numbers will require more or less bytes. Numeric data type attributes are described by the number of bytes they use and whether they are signed or unsigned. Base offers several types of numeric data attributes, both signed and unsigned, that different amount of bytes. If you want to enter a numeric data, you can use number data type, that is enclosed with signed and unsigned, and both the signed and unsigned that different amount of bytes. At the list memory consuming side of number storage, we have the Boolean numbers. A Boolean number is in fact used just of bit, and we use it to store yes or no type of data. If you want to store a data like yes or no, then you select the Boolean data type. Calendar type. Another important data type is the calendar. They are used to store calendar information like year, month, day, minute, second and fraction of a second. Date allows storing year, month and day as it is stored in the system through which data is entered. The same is true for the time type attribute. Timestamp has been designed for recording all information at once. Calendar type. Calendar type is used to store the data just like a birth date, joining date, leaving date or time based data. If you want to store a data like time or date, you select calendar type. Binary type. The binary type attributes allows us to store any information that comes as a long string of 0 and 1s. They are distributed by the computer because the initial 0 and 1s identify the kind of files they represent, a JPEG image or an MP3 file, etc. If you want to store any image or a sound file, you select a binary type, that is displayed as a image file for JPEG format or sound file for MP3 format, etc. Primary key of a table is also used to establish relationship with multiple tables in the database. If you want to unique a field of any table, you need a primary key, and primary key is used to establish relationship with multiple tables. Defining the primary key is must for each table. A table though cannot have more than one primary key. One table have only one primary key. However, combination of more than one field can serve as primary key. Combination of one or more field can serve as a primary key, but one table having only a one primary key. A primary key so designed is known as composite primary key. The combination of more than one field can serve as a primary key is known as composite primary key.